What's up, nerds? I'm Joe from Sawicki Speed. Today we're putting in the Softail Intimidator Mid-Length Billet. I guess first thing we're going to do is put our flanges and clips on. So you want to put the flange in. There's a recessed area that goes in with the area coming out of it. Then the clip goes on after. It's very important to make sure that when this is in, this flange comes up and that clip sits inside the recessed area of the flange. Next, we'll go ahead and throw in our gaskets. These are tapered and they go in a certain way. Flat side goes into the engine. Y'all gotta make me look. Next, we wanna go ahead and get our brackets installed. First, I like to go ahead and put the saddle bracket together. There's some dogs that this goes into, and the bolt goes through the outside. This bracket goes on in this direction over the muffler bracket, and you take your two supplied bolts 9/16 and they bolt into the chassis. All right, next we'll start with our primaries. We need to get our flanges on, we need to get our oxygen sensors in. So we want to take our O2 reducers, install them into our ports. Take 7/8 and just snug it up. Go ahead and install our oxygen sensors. Not too tight. Moving on to the rear. All right, after you get your flanges and new seals and gaskets in, your oxygen sensors are in place and ready to put a muffler on. Make sure this is loose, and then we can go ahead and proceed with our muffler. This is the mid-length billet end. We'll start with our rear primary, just get it started. Then we'll bring our front primary up and in. Rotate our muffler until the saddle matches the bracket. Then we'll throw in our dog bone. It's included with the kit and the hardware as well. Next, we'll go ahead and hand tighten our flange nuts. While we do that, we want to pull this front primary away from the cam cover. After we have them hand tight, we'll go through and torque our nuts from the tops on each side down to the billows of each side, 10 foot-pounds. Next, we'll go ahead and tighten up our saddle. Then we'll move on and we'll tighten up our bracket to the chassis. Next, we'll go through and we'll reinstall our mid-control. All right, we'll go ahead and install our springs. Next, let's go ahead and reinstall our pod cover. Just a dowel pops in, 2 little screws in the back. All right, don't forget your bag. Last step, wipe down your pipe with some brake clean or some denatured alcohol and get all your fingerprints off of it. That is the install on the Softail Intimidator Mid-Length Billet.